How long has Keystone been making fantastically fun travel trailers and fifth wheels? For nearly 25 years. One of their most popular lines of luxury travel trailers and fifth wheels is the Sprinter Limited. You'll get a great combination of fantastic floor plans and features you'll love. Before we highlight some select floor plans, let's take a step inside and see what makes a Sprinter Limited so great. The beauty of the Sprinter Limited line is both travel trailers and the fifth wheels share a ton of features. Let's start with the living area. Headspace abounds with a minimum of 80 inches. You'll stay cool with a ducted AC unit in the living area, plus an AC unit in the bedroom. To keep warm, and you will be thankful as you can camp year-round in a Sprinter Limited, you get a 30,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heating ducts. And for warmth plus ambiance, every model comes with a 5,500 BTU electric fireplace with thermostat control and remote. The perfect temperature just makes the Thomas Payne Luxury Collection furniture that much more comfortable. Every Sprinter Limited has theater seating with lights and massage functions. I just love it. The living area, as well as the rest of the cabin, has Congolium vinyl flooring. Let's stroll on that seamless flooring right over to the kitchen. It's just a camp cook's dream. You're going to get features like LG solid surface countertops, residential style screwed and glued cabinetry, deep single basin stainless steel industrial sink with high-rise pull-out faucet and sprayer, stainless steel microwave with carousel, 3-burner gas range with 21-inch stainless steel oven and glass top, 22-inch deep drawers with full extension heavy-duty guides, pendant lights over the kitchen island, and a few different fridge options. The fridge in the travel trailers is an 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge with a pantry. In the fifth wheel models, you get a 12 cubic foot stainless steel RV fridge and an optional 15 cubic foot residential fridge. Let's mosey into the bathroom. Here you get some nice amenities, including a seamless single-piece pressed countertop, a large 40 by 30 inch fiberglass shower with glass door and skylight, plus a porcelain toilet. As for the Sprinter Limited bedroom, it comes with a queen or king bed depending upon model, but they all have gas strut storage underneath. You'll see blackout roller shades are in the bedroom as well as the rest of the cabin. LED reading lights sit above the bed, and there's a stackable washer dryer prep that's standard on all fifth wheels and select travel trailers, plus the bedroom has a TV hookup. Oh, TV actually has me thinking about the rest of the entertainment in a Sprinter Limited. Every model has a premium entertainment center with HD LED TV, a soundbar, exterior TV hookup, and speakers, both inside and outside, with reception easily controlled thanks to the exclusive KeySource multi-source signal controller. Every Sprinter Limited also has 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep. Since how we just started talking about the exterior, let's hit the rest of the Sprinter Limited exterior features. Entry and exit are made easy with the LCI solid step with extra wide first step. You'll rest easy and get quick to camp with the one-touch 4-point leveling system with return hookup memory. Your camp gear is safe and warm inside the heated pass-through storage with lockable slam latch baggage doors. To save power, every Sprinter Limited has a battery disconnect as well as the Keystone exclusive Solar Flex 200 solar energy kit with a Solar Flex 400i option. Oh, I nearly forgot about the electric awning with friction hinge adjustments, LED light strip, and manual override for maximum outdoor relaxation. Want to look over the campground or enjoy the stars at a higher level? You'll get a rear ladder to lead you onto the fully walkable roof. Both the travel trailer and fifth wheel models have road armor, with the fifth wheels having the amazing max turn technology for ease in maneuvering your Sprinter Limited fifth wheel into position. And to add to that ease, you'll get hitch vision. Also, they all come with an exterior shower with hot and cold water, oversized rotocast holding tanks with best-in-class capacities, backup camera prep, and aluminum wheels that come with a lifetime warranty. Let's take a look at construction. It's very important and frankly gives you some peace of mind. Every Sprinter Limited has a 3-year limited structural warranty and is built using 2-inch aluminum framed and laminated sidewalls. You'll find dual layer insulation and in the floor, 1-piece Dynaspan marine grade decking. Underneath, you'll get a heated and enclosed underbelly with astrofoil insulation, and you'll also see color-coded unified wiring throughout for easier electrical fixes. They use tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners that won't rust or crush, and you'll see a true fit slide construction with the slides also having equal torsion cables with manual override, and up front an automotive-grade painted fiberglass cap with key shield protection. And for you full-timers, every Sprinter Limited comes to thermal package to allow 0 to 100-degree performance. To say that's a tremendous amount of amenities in a line of towables would be kind of an understatement. Before I dive into some select Sprinter Limited travel trailer floor plans, I'll give you a few numbers. Their average unloaded weight sits around 9,000 pounds and length close to 38 feet. As such, you'll need a full-size truck as your tow vehicle. A popular travel trailer floor plan is the 330 KBS. You're going to get opposing slide-outs in the living area, with one holding the full reclining theater seats with massage function. The front cap is dominated by a large tri-fold sofa and faces a huge kitchen island complete with bench seats. The master bedroom is separated from the living area via a walk-through bathroom that has dual vanity sinks. The master bedroom has a king bed in a slide and plenty of closet space, including a floor-to-ceiling closet with washer-dryer prep. The 330 KBS can sleep 4. The 341 BIK is a bunkhouse model designed to bring the family camping. There's a private bunk room with a slide out, and the bunk room has its own wardrobe closet. Opposing slide outs in the living area create a ton of space and allow for a large kitchen island. Theater seats sit across from an entertainment center complete with a pop-up TV and fireplace. The 341 BIK can sleep up to 7, plus it has an outside kitchen. Let's move on to the fifth wheels. Sprinter Limited fifth wheels are full-profile fifth wheels and as such are large. Average unloaded weight tips the scales at 11,000 pounds and average length is about 38 feet. A big truck is a must. You'll find a wide variety of floor plans, including the very popular 3190 RLS. Opposing slide-outs make for a very roomy living area, complete with a kitchen island, large rear sofa, and entertainment center with fireplace located across from those beautiful theater seats. Up front, the king bed is in a slide, and the front cap is all closet, plus has washer-dryer prep. Designed for the camping couple, the 3190 can accommodate 4 snoozers. The 3670 FLS is over 40 feet of luxury campground fun. Up front is a den complete with tri-fold sofas and opposing slides, those gorgeous theater seats, and the entertainment center with fireplace plus a 50-inch TV. In the middle is a massive kitchen with a wide U-shaped countertop. The master bedroom sits in the back and has a ton of closet space plus washer-dryer prep. Well, folks, that's a lot of features and quality construction packed into the fantastic Keystone Sprinter Limited line. With everything this line has going for it and the solid variety of floor plans, we're sure you'll find a Sprinter Limited to keep you and your camp-loving family very happy.